Welcome to Alabama, a state often overlooked when considering the great natural wonders of America. But here, nestled amongst the bustling heartland, lies a secret. Alabama is a land of dramatic contrasts, a tapestry woven from towering mountains, whispering forests, and sparkling waterways. Join us now as we venture into the heart of this unsung paradise. Prepare to be captivated by the state's diverse wildlife, its geological marvels, and the breathtaking beauty that awaits those who take the time to truly explore. Our journey begins high in the Appalachian Mountains, a range that stretches like a backbone down the eastern United States. Here, in northeastern Alabama, these ancient peaks rise again, cloaked in emerald forests and wreathed in morning mist. We ascend first to Lookout Mountain, its sheer cliffs offering breathtaking vistas that stretch for miles. This is a hiker's paradise, with trails winding through fern-carpeted glens and past cascading waterfalls. Further south, we encounter Monte Sano Mountain, its slopes adorned with vibrant wildflowers in springtime. The air here is alive with birdsong, and the views from its rocky summits are simply breathtaking. But our quest for elevation culminates at Cheaha Mountain, the highest point in all of Alabama. We descend now from the rugged heights of the mountains into the embrace of Alabama's vast and verdant forests. These woodlands are a haven for a rich diversity of life, a symphony of colors, sounds, and scents. Talladega National Forest, a sprawling wilderness stretching across nearly 400,000 acres, welcomes us first. Here, towering pines stand sentinel over a world of rushing streams, hidden waterfalls, and sun-dappled trails. Deeper into Talladega, we may catch a glimpse of white-tailed deer flitting through the trees or hear the call of a wild turkey echoing through the stillness. Next, we venture into Bankhead National Forest, a realm of limestone cliffs, cool, clear streams, and cascading waterfalls. Our final destination in this woodland realm is Conecuh National Forest, a unique ecosystem where wetlands and pine forests intertwine. Our journey through Alabama now takes us to the state's extensive network of rivers, lakes, and coastal shores. These natural wonders are a testament to the state's diverse and vibrant ecosystem. These waterways are not merely scenic wonders, they are the lifeblood of the state, providing recreation, sustenance, and a vital link to Alabama's rich history and culture. From fishing and boating to historical river towns, the waterways offer a glimpse into the soul of Alabama. We begin on the Gulf Coast, where the warm waters of the Gulf of Mexico lap gently against the pristine beaches of Gulf Shores and Orange Beach. This area is a haven for beachgoers, offering a perfect blend of relaxation and adventure. Here, the pace of life slows to match the rhythm of the tides. The serene environment invites visitors to unwind and enjoy the simple pleasures of coastal living. Families build sandcastles under the watchful gaze of pelicans perched on weathered pilings. Children play joyfully on the beach, creating memories that will last a lifetime. Moving inland, we arrive at Lake Guntersville, a sprawling reservoir renowned for its excellent fishing. Anglers from all over come here to try their luck and enjoy the stunning natural scenery. Our final stop on this aquatic adventure is Wheeler Lake, another massive reservoir teeming with fish and offering endless opportunities for boating, kayaking, and simply soaking up the beauty of the water and sky. Whether you're an avid fisherman or just looking to relax, Wheeler Lake has something for everyone. Our exploration of Alabama now takes us beneath the surface into the hidden world of caves and caverns. These subterranean realms, carved over millennia by the patient work of water, offer a glimpse into the geological heart of the state. Our first descent is into Russell Cave National Monument, a site that has sheltered humans for over 10,000 years. Here, amidst the stalactites and stalagmites, archaeologists have unearthed evidence of some of the earliest inhabitants of North America. Next, we venture into DeSoto Caverns, a wonderland of underground waterfalls, towering formations, and a subterranean lake. Our final subterranean stop is Cathedral Caverns State Park, home to one of the largest cave entrances in the world. Alabama's diverse landscapes, from its mountain peaks to its coastal shores, provide a haven for a rich array of wildlife. The state is a mosaic of natural beauty, each region offering its own unique charm and ecosystem. In this chapter, we'll encounter some of the creatures that call this state home and explore the many opportunities for outdoor recreation that Alabama offers. From the dense forests to the open waters, there's something for every nature enthusiast. We'll hike through the forests in search of white-tailed deer, their eyes shining like black jewels in the dappled sunlight. These graceful creatures are a testament to the thriving wildlife in Alabama's woodlands. Along the banks of rivers and streams, we may catch a glimpse of a river otter frolicking in the water, or spot a great blue heron patiently stalking fish in the shallows. These waterways are teeming with life, each species playing a vital role in the ecosystem. For those seeking adventure, Alabama offers a wealth of opportunities. Whether it's hiking, fishing, or simply exploring the wilderness, the state is a playground for outdoor enthusiasts. We'll hike sections of the Pinhoti Trail, a 335-mile path that winds its way through the state, offering stunning views and a chance to truly immerse oneself in nature. The trail is a journey through diverse terrains, each step revealing new wonders, and for a truly unique experience, we'll try our hand at paddling the state's waterways, gliding silently through cypress swamps and along peaceful rivers. The serenity of these waters provides a perfect contrast to the bustling life on land, offering a tranquil escape. Chapter 6: Treasures Protected, Alabama's State Parks and Nature Reserves. Alabama is blessed with a network of state parks and nature reserves that protect its natural beauty and provide recreational opportunities for all. These parks are not just places to visit, they are sanctuaries that preserve the state's diverse ecosystems and wildlife. These parks are gateways to adventure, offering everything from hiking and camping to fishing, kayaking, and simply enjoying the tranquility of nature. Whether you're an avid outdoor enthusiast or just looking for a peaceful retreat, Alabama's state parks have something for everyone. Our first stop is Gulf State Park, a 6,150-acre park that encompasses beaches, dunes, wetlands, and a campground. This park is a haven for beach lovers and nature enthusiasts alike. Here, we'll stroll along the shore, watching for dolphins and seabirds, or explore the park's network of trails which wind through pine forests and along the edge of freshwater lakes. The park's diverse habitats offer a unique experience for every visitor. Next, we'll journey to Oak Mountain State Park, the largest state park in Alabama, covering over 9,940 acres. This park is a paradise for hikers, bikers, and nature lovers, offering a wide range of activities and breathtaking views. Our final destination is Little River Canyon National Preserve, home to one of the deepest canyons east of the Mississippi River. This preserve is a geological wonder, offering stunning vistas and a rich history that dates back millions of years. Chapter 7: Between Land and Water, Alabama's Unique Wetlands. Our exploration of Alabama's natural wonders now takes us to its wetlands, those vital ecosystems that exist between land and water. These areas, often overlooked, are teeming with life and play a crucial role in maintaining the health of our planet. We begin our journey in the Mobile Tensor River Delta, one of the largest delta systems in the United States. This vast maze of waterways, cypress swamps, and bottomland hardwood forest is a haven for biodiversity, supporting alligators, black bears, bobcats, and over 300 species of birds. We'll glide silently through the delta's waterways in a kayak, watching for alligators basking in the sun or ospreys diving for fish. Our next stop is Wheeler National Wildlife Refuge, a 35,000-acre refuge established in 1938 to provide habitat for wintering waterfowl. Chapter 8: Where Music Flows, Florence and the Tennessee River. Our final destination on this journey through Alabama's natural wonders takes us to the northwestern corner of the state, to the city of Florence and the mighty Tennessee River. This region, known as the Shoals, is steeped in history and musical heritage, and its natural beauty is equally captivating. We'll begin in Florence, a city that has produced some of the greatest musicians of all time, including Aretha Franklin and the Rolling Stones. Here we'll visit the Alabama Music Hall of Fame, which celebrates the state's rich musical heritage. From Florence, we'll venture out to explore the Tennessee River, a waterway that has played a vital role in the development of the region. For a more intimate experience, we'll rent kayaks and paddle along Cypress Creek, a tributary of the Tennessee River. Outro, Alabama, a natural wonder revealed. As our journey through Alabama comes to an end, we're left with a profound appreciation for the state's natural beauty and diversity. Whether you're an avid hiker, a passionate angler, or simply someone who enjoys spending time surrounded by nature's wonders, Alabama has something special in store for you. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more explorations of the world's most beautiful and awe-inspiring destinations.